Chiaragire Chinsa Isato chiabono botuko mwanchumo ligelia sentunde netokomera na sembe asekerenga ekenerigo koneke ngatonyere ko batuko komanyanga nyare ko ba gagwateka kuruba ketego ikera chinga kibune chinga ki omogiro bwa banyagitari ogendrete nabo igo abange babaroirane ne kurwase chinyagitari chiria chine negati yabo ya Kenyatta National Hospital ase abaroira bagende tukoba konganyi wana boigo kwiruwa chinyagitari chiabanto bene kubatekana no mogiro oyogendre tumwanchumo ligere na mange ngende tukoba ingo kwariganeria embarago bayabono ngura nande asege kagetari getamba sekerenga gyosanga amonae. Ayo manande amango mwanchomo ligelengo kwaliga ninyora baigona bogosanga amona intugetera se mitandao ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital wetera YouTube Ndizi TV News na boigo website ya www.ndizitv.net emaragoba ya bono mwanchomo ligelia ulio koneki abona chibicha manelio chago chira senchira yobo ikironika kurukwa Sara Momanyi literia na kurukwa Josephat Amisi ngokwaliga tonyara ko batogosanga manaye kurumo chakano goikera omwelio Amayia Chinsa Isato chiabono botuko mwanchomo ligelego chakurwase county ya Kisii aserituko lero ababwatani bedini yege Catholic banyara koba bago chengerali tukolia makendo gose Palm Sunday ase banyara koba bago sanga amona babwatani sebirisia ime county ya Kisii kurwase nsema ya Kisii Cathedral ni gomoyega oyonyara koba gokoragwa no Mosasiloti Charles Motari oyonyara koba ga kobolia ababwatani anene bedini yeki Catholic banyara koba kwendekia buna banyale ko bago chengerali tukelio na boigo ko origerelia chinsemo nyao monene obanyale ko ba gako barana ko baikia asenga kibune no nyara boni gabaganelia anene wiki ye Pasaka engiyali tukobono elia nyara ko baligo chaka lero buna enchira eyamo yokoneka banyale ko bago chengira wiki ye Pasaka moliki to milede Momanyi na nyara ko bago ikirana asenseme ya Kisii Cathedral na gotwaliganelia orobotiro ko batia
abege no be kanisa yege Katoliki ritkolia lero nigo basangire na kubwatana na bamwe abo ensengima iliwekirana ritkolia Jumapili ya makendo gose Palm Sunday asomo chokisi nigo Father Charles Motari bwensemo ya Kisii Cathedral ara omorobele oyo kanisa ya Kisii Cathedral na kwerera igoro yeli tukeliga asiliko nyorwa chinga ki Kristo aswete Yerusalemi aba Kristo bakobogolia amakendo korkia omogokono mosaso gokorwa ase mechando beterete anene mono korwa ase abarai balenge kora nege kuba
asiri tukolia lero tunyoyenga Kristo na iswete Yerusalemu litukoline na mono akengere tu akasasokerwa ekero baganyererete omoruoti ora batorie korwa sama kongo babwate na mono korwa semechando baroje babwate abarai abagambi barenge bebikuba abarai bagotumia chinguru kinene kare Kristo aso Yerusalemu abantu abange bakamwaligania na kitoko nyorange kare bamwaligane ti babwata makendo amato bale gotumia korokyo mogoko no musaso
nekero babogoletie amakenda ya igani go balenge gotera na iliogiri nene osana inchwe ototolie ase Father Charles Motari aganiria abakristo bonsi botene na bakongu
nekere babogoletie amakenda ya gotera balenge asa marigi goromono babateba osana ingencho yaye inchuo omotolia ototolie inchu masia ototolie nekero bagendrenjira kugenda bakagendera gotoginya saso bonena so gociani kiera bakarora obonene bwa baikeire kurwasi Nyasaye gwetera kumutoma Kristo yorengo muruoti na ekero ba musangirite ngenje yiga na intungo bere kinyoria kerena saba Kristo abakatoliki asensengima na mona se Cathedral nga na intu gatotenda bako mutotana na Kristo na kerto batara na Kristo tonyoro bya bwa Nyasaye na kerto banyoro bya bwa Nyasaye na intunto barubuna balia batolirwa na Yesu Kristo
nigo arule kubolia gochiase abakristo bonsi kweligerelia buyana gwetia ebibe byabo chinga kiechi cyo mukubyo omutagatifu na kubaganilia Amayia
ase igwa senga kiye igento kingenjo mona abakristo twasoire omukubyo omutagatifu tweligerelie togwiti ibe byito tweligerelie togosaba tomwaliga ni Kristo chinkoro chito nga tuchandike nere ekero akubambwa somo saraba tubwenere ekero ya pasika ekero Kristo monyene akuboka kurwasa bakule nanda atobugima nanda atomentere botambi asaba Kristo bonsi tokoboganiria maya asikiga kiechi omokubio mutagatifu jakire obuya bwa Kristo babaikire na intutonyangale kogoka togosasoka jinga kichonsi asiki family asitokoremeremo nabo igasitokoreriri tukaserituko uya kwa Nyasaye botokoriye tiatokonyole wetera Kristo Nyasaye sini mwenzi motu aromo kubio omutagatifu muya wekanda tosasokamo ekero ya Pasika kare Kristo abwira mokweli yamu
Ulipotelea egetaseni kia Ndizi TV ile taliane Mildred Momanyi.
Kone baigetaseni kia Ndizi TV tuabaganirie ababwatani bege Catholic anene wikengia ye Pasaka na boigo litko ligia liria lia makendo togosuka moto mwanchomo ligereria magega ya aborokigwa 11 University ya Kenyatta ko Syria obugima bwabo kubatikana mu basukano bwe para uyo nyaraka bokorekana se para ya Mombasa Nairobi ase moya Voi ni gobono abanafunzi gose abarokigwa kurwa ase University ya Kisii banyarako bagweso kiena gotongia emesuma bunenchira eyemo yoko bainyora abana abo banyarako bagosiria obogema bagokwana mona Ndizi TV nigo abarokigwa abo banyarako bakoboria ewizara elia yobosombi na boigo elie chisemi nyarako bayekobekemero bileme ikiramu elikoene kiabuna omubaro monge anenbo mubagos meme basokano oyogera tokaba korekana ase chinsemo imeyense ya Kenya unyalire koba gokeiwa
2 1 go.
Comrades power! Power! Comrades power! Power! Comrades power! Power! Today, as comrades of Kisii University, we are joining the 75 tertiary institutions within the Great Republic of Kenya. To say that indeed we are so sad. Indeed we are crying as comrades. The great Dr. William Samoei Ruto. We elected you as comrades. We believe you are intellectually stable to stabilize the issues we are facing as comrades of great Kisii of the Republic of Kenya. As comrades, we say that we have so many things which are competing to kill and destroy the life of comrades. Careless driving is one of them. We believe and trust that through the Ministry of Education, you are going to come up with new policies to stabilize issues that are really affecting comrades within the Republic of Kenya. Comrades power! Comrades power! I'm Obando Tyson, a 4th year student from Great Kisii University. Sorry to Great Kenyatta University, we are really controlling with you. Tunaomboleza na nyinyi na tumejua comrades don't die, but comrades rest in power. Comrades power! Comrades power! Asanteni sana.
Tugotigana na ensemo eyo ya banafunzi kurasa University ya Kisii magega yomugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati komochora Elijah Obebo koba omokonyi bw'omugavana bwe county ya Kisii lyetalira chikoba liko kwanerwa ase county assembly omochoyo ni gobono abamenyi korwa ase constituency yabo basi anekorwa sensemo ya Kiongo banyare ko bagweso kiena ko momochia omugavana lati na gutebanga nigo abwene tokobaga komochora omorai uyo nyare ko baga otwara libagali nene liyokora ase amatuko amagega bago kwana mona Ndizi TV nigo banyare ko bagotebanga talia kenani na liyo liranyare ko liko chorwa elia nyare ko bagwikirania emero bere bagokwana boigo nigo banyare ko bakwerekia ngakenani nigo abwate chinka kigosanya ko bagagotwara libagali okora sama tukanyare ko bagagweta na boigo korokana koba omonyangongo asemero bere yoborai ime county ya Kisii
Gavana aron torago kigo mundo tete taratokonya chemisgana no mwaka oitire okorere bengi osomire sukuru mwako manyiro bomanyi orocheria area miri boire mogondo emate ngusari ichoki ne yetara ngusari ichoki bone moko to ate madina ne ichoki asiri ko ngusogochia to acha misikana ne ro mwako ta tonye mnantu abasai
gabana twari kwesinga koranche to omuntu rorira mangi umanyira saa tambe urarushya bichana inse na ende igoto twari kwanyo twe umugako kurukwa James Kenani ntoko gani kwite no kwarenge igo kubwitangi
omugabana simbarati ayeno mugabana ito twaete chikura ntunto tagetio mo tobekero omonto tutamanyeti totobekere James Kenani nera tutaitabo mo deputy ogo anero rato konya nero rato rusia orase ubugima tori bono iga
omugabana ntorigo koswa mono gento togo saba tobekero omonto ora tokonye muna one bichana bigo kina bono iga ora maenga yago toira gochi oyegwa tobekera ntunto manyeti na anda stera toire because tabwati bomanyi tobekero omonto bwato bomanyi tobekere James Kenani nero ora torusie atoire zago toira
akitwari go gosaba gavana otobekere omo David gavana ave James Kenani nere omonto aberire odiemwa matuka mange nero ora tokonye atorusie astore atoire aseke wanga kende
mugambi oito simbarati aso wanja kwao ntoriko ko request lakini aso wanja kwao monto wacho aleta ntuntoro mwanjira nitirande ntumutagetia aso wanja kwao tochora monto ko James Kenani nero to monto ko James Kenani nero monto rato konye kuru aso bugimo rato rusi ase buna bano ngo bantu tochandegete kurutanga
Arenyareko bagakorekana isko yorogongorwa Gusii nigo muraibwense Daktari William Ruto agendereire ko baga kwenekia bune serikali ya Kenya kwanza negera tokabago ikirania gati ya magendro bunachira banya tokabakulira wa Kenya chinga kichie kampeni go kwanaso umuyega bwa masabo oyonyarako bakorekana sekanisa ACK Emmanuel Meko constituency gose immense ya Bahati county ya Nairobi nigo Ruto atebirenga tali go chikobaga go tege egati yabarai abo bagenda tokoba kubwa tukachingwa na cyoko gikere na komboye mocha serikali kurende na cyoko bakwenekia nga serikali ya yanyare korage kobeka ebitambokero eliogosukia amagendro motwebu na enchira eyamoyo kwenekia abakenya banyare koba kwegenderia sobugima bwabo bwa keralitiko.
And I want to tell you, I have no problem being called whatever name so long as I achieve a better destiny for our country. And more importantly, kama Nehemiah angesikia Sanballat na Tobias, ukuta wa Jerusalem haingejengwa. Kwa sababu kuna Tobias, wengi wanasema hata hii mpango ya housing haina maana, hata hii mpango ya kuzalisha chakula haina maana. Na sisemi ati aladwa ni Sanballat, hapana. Nasema tu kuna wengine. So katika hii harakati ya kujenga tutakuwa na watu wengi ambao hawaoni mahali tunaenda, lakini baadaye watakuja kuelewa where we are going. I have absolutely no issue with whatever is being said left, right and center. My focus is to make sure that we change our country. And I am very clear, my brother Bishop, in my mind. Mungu hajanijalia niwe rais wa Kenya ati kujaza nafasi ya mtu kuitwa rais. Ama ati ndio nipate mshahara, nipate kazi. Hapana. Mungu amenipatia hii nafasi nibadilishe Kenya. And I intend to do it. And I know it is not going to be easy, but by God's grace, we are going to change this country for the better.
Ingaki echecho nigo William Ruto yoromora ibwensa nyarakobaga koerera gati emeroberio serikali yanyarekobage go ikirania sanyarekobaga goteba bune serikali yanyareko gosira abaremi ko bwatekanano ko bwatuka oboyo bweligo lirike obwanyarekoba bogo segeta abaremi ko yana mogondo na boigo komenta ekerengo kelige sagati yabo boigo yanyarakoba goteba nga ewizara ya obocheno nigo banyale kobe kubeka emiroberia monjolero ao elio kwenekibuna abakenya bonsi banyale koba bakwenyorera obobwenia chingaki baranyale koba bakwigwemebere ya bobobe gwetera somoroberio olibwekeganja gia shiva okikianyale koba gekonganywa kurwa sesemeria ya NHIF.
Mpango yetu ya kuzalisha chakula katika taifa letu la Kenya ni tuhakikishe vile neno la Mungu inatuambia tupate chakula tuweze kila Mkenya aweze kulisha familia yake. Mpango yetu kwa matibabu, na mumesikia vile tumepanga. Tumepitisha sheria zote, tumepitisha regulations zote, sasa tutakuwa na mfumo mpya. Haya mipango yote ni kwa sababu tunataka tukisimama mbele ya Mungu tuweze kusema we did something to make sure that nobody slept hungry. We did something to make sure that those who were sick got attention. We did something to make sure that our young people had something to do. We did something to make sure that people have water to drink. It is in the plan of
Abarai abo igoni go banyara ko bagwikirana somo sangerekano yo bakoraho muno mugavana we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakache negati yabachumbe ase Saka janyara ko bakwirali bagerio na konekia buna serikali ya county ya Nairobi yanyale ko bage kosira omoroberio bwa sector yobo chenu asene kiringa county yo nigegwakana emeshara gosengere gucyase abanyagitari ase chinga kichibwene tena bwigwikirania egati yamaganyo abanyagitari bakoganime county ya Sabolire abanyagitari bonsi kurwase county ya Nairobi abagenda tokoba gwesonania ase omugiro banyara ko bakwirana ase meremori limolio kanaboigo omobunge bwe constituency ya Makadara Georgia Ladwa niganyara ko bagako akire serikali ngambe bana so gwikirania egati yechira nyalire ko bagikolira abakenya asate bire boigo ensemo eliegenda tokoba kwamereria serikali nechikoba gikuira chinga kichiaye na kwene kibuna nyalde ko bagikorotota igati ya magendero yechira boiga serikali nyalde ko bagikolira abakenya.
So the doctors of Nairobi, you get your insurance, your salary is on time. Why are you rioting or striking because of a different employer? Your Excellency, what you're doing at the national level, tafadhali utuma madaktari warudi kwa counties out to the employers. I will deal with mine in Nairobi, and I've told them, if you're interested in serving Nairobians, because hawa mimi niko na contract na watu wa Nairobi kuwapatia huduma, tumeka madawa. Hospitali hata hapa iko na madawa for the first time. We're hiring these people. We are paying them. If you're a doctor and you're interested in working in Nairobi, be in hospital. I told them that on Thursday. On Friday, I had 60% of them reporting back to work. They came back to work. Monday, nimeandika barua ya wale 40% watuambie kama wanataka kazi. Kama wataki, kuna wengi wanataka kazi ya kuwa daktari. Nao tutawaandika. As you sort out the issues, if you want to be in solidarity with the National Union, you can be in solidarity without keeping the lives of Nairobians at risk.
Tulisukuma tu tax, sasa at least zimepungua. Hatungeongea, haingepungua. Na hatukuwa tunaongea kwa ubaya. Lazima tusukume, rais atupunguzie. Sisi amepunguza sasa. Si makofi kwake. Nataka kushukuru rais kwa kukubali kiongozi wangu wa chama changu cha ODM, Raila Amolo Odinga, kumuunga mkono kukuwa chairman wa AU. Sisi kama watu ODM tunasema asante kwa hiyo support unapatia ndugu yako Raila Amolo Odinga. Kenya inahitaji kila mtu, makabila inahitajiana, na sisi kama wewe ndio rais wetu, lazima tukunge mkono, lazima tusimame na wewe. Bishop amesema neno moja, tukuombee. Umebeba Kenyans zaidi ya 50 million, ni kweli ya ulali, na sisi tutakuombea na kuona mahali unaweza songa.
Nigo yaba amayanda no gukumia okonene asomo sangerekano bwa masabo yonyara ko kolekana se University ya Kenyatta elio ko bainyora aboro kigwa ikomino mawanyara ko bagusiro bugima bwabo asomo basukano bwe para wiki ya nyara ko bagego etagati abara yabanyara ko bagwikirana asomo yego ibwa masabo no murugi bwo murayibwense Recho Ruto oyonyara ko bakweneke bunense yanyara ko bagego Syria aboro kigwa abanyara te ko baba kubeka omukiana kwenekea buna banyarekoba bakogendera amone chisemi chiabo aseboigo abange babo ibori nabo igaba bwatani bechisemi banyarakoba bakurwa rambirambi yabo.
Today we gather here with heavy hearts as we bid farewell to 11 bright souls from the Department of Health Management and Informatics who were taken from us too soon. I bring you heartfelt condolences from the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Ruto. His thoughts and prayers are with you all. As an alumni of Kenyatta University, I'm sad to see the lives of our comrades put off so suddenly. The 11 souls we lost were not just students, they were family, both here at college and at their respective homes. They were bright students, full of potential, eager to learn, graduate, and go out to conquer the world. I offer my deepest sympathy. We stand with you in solidarity, offering our love, support, and prayers during this difficult time. We are heartbroken because we have lost future leaders in different spheres of life. They were shining examples to their peers and the pride and joy of their families and communities. Some were the only hope their families had, as they had invested everything to ensure their children got a quality education. In moments such profound loss, it is often difficult to find solace. Yet as Psalms 34:18 reminds us, and I quote, "The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit." Let us take comfort in these words, drawing strength from our faith in God and our love for each other.
Gati yabarai boiga banyarakoba wikirana somo sangirekano yo no mwaziri bwechisemi Ezekiel Machogu yonyarakoba kwenekia bune wizara ya embachi koba kubwatirana monechi wizara agati yabo elia yobo sombi na boigo yobolendi bwai melio kwenekia bune birengo go bye emebasokane byenyarakoba bikorokana subwangoiga byenyarakoba bigokea wanengana boigo yanyarakoba igosirwa amonere omori kyobotamba se wizara eyo yechisemi.
We have had quite a number of accidents involving our school vehicles and the universities. And Your Excellency, when we investigate and get to know what really happened, we come to confirm that a number of these accidents can be avoided. Almost 50–60% of the accidents we have had in our roads are avoidable, and actually some of them are made because of human error, bad judgment sometimes, and we are asking about our drivers on the roads and all of us to be very, very cautious when we are driving in the roads, because we can see the kind of roads that is coming to the country and the families that would have been avoided. And that's why I'm sure moving forward, the government is coming in very, very strongly to tighten the rules to make sure that we don't have the kind of occurrences that we have had in our roads.
Kenyatta University fraternity, these are difficult times. The days ahead are not easy either, but you're not alone. As a ministry, we stand with you. The entire university fraternity stands with you. The education community stands with you. And indeed, the whole country is with you.
Omoteneneri bwa waziri ibigoro mwaziri bwa mangana Chinsa cha isiko musalia mudavadi niganyareko bagakobolia abarayane ne bakisiasa banyareko babako bwaterana nabo igogo tuguterare chi tabuti cyabo cya kisiasa na kweneke buna banyareko bagwikirania chira cha magendro kwana alitkolero asomoyega bwa masabo banyareko bakorekana ase kanisa ya Dominion Holy Church me county ya Kajiado nigo mudavadi hanyareko bagoteba kubwa gwetera asoko bwaterana bunoko naliaba Kenya baranyare koba bakonyora chira chamagendro nabo yokwenekia buna obomo banyare kobo korokana ase ense ya Kenya.
Can we envision a united country? Can we envision a country where everybody works and mingles without problems? Can we envision a peaceful and secure nation? Can we envision a nation where competition is not enmity? Vile nimeona na viongozi wenu hapa, hawezi kujua huyu ni wa chama gani. Hiyo siasa wanamaliza. But one thing that I've seen amongst the Maasai, the Ma, and I've seen it more frequently here in Kajiado, is that they do not convert competition to enmity. Kwa sababu competition itakuwa kila mara. We must accept that. There will always be competition. But let us not convert competition to enmity. Hata wakati Sungu alisema hapa kuna jamaa alimkimbiza sana. Nilikuwa nafuatilia vizuri sana. He was acknowledging that he faced stiff competition, but he is not an enemy. Kwa hivyo katika taifa letu tuwe na vision ambayo itatuweka pamoja, ambayo italeta watu wote pamoja. Na hiyo ndio message hata rais wetu anazungumzia na anajaribu kuonyesha kwamba tulikuwa na competition, lakini kama taifa tukiwa na lengo, tukiwa na kile tunaita national interest, tunaweka hiyo competition kando, tunakuja pamoja ili tuende mbele kama taifa moja la Kenya.
Gati ya baraibo igabanyara kwa bagwikira na somo sangirekano yobe kanisa ime county ya Kajiado no moseneta bwe county ya Kajiado sekulengu olekanare na boigo omo women rep Lea Sengaire habu banyara kwa bakogokera obotoera no morembe huyo nyari ko bagokorekana ime county ya Kajiado saboigo banyara ko bakoburia abarai kurua sechi county boigo banyara ko bakobwatera na ilikwenekia buna magendro hanyari ko bakorekana sechi county chabo.
So sitaki kusema kuzidi hapo. Mimi nimetaka tu kukushukuru na kushukuru watu wa Kajiado, watu wa viongozi wetu ambayo tuko nao hapa kwa amani ambayo tumekuwa nayo. Amani ni nzuri kuliko kitu kingine yoyote. Kuna counties ziko na vita, ambayo kuna furugu, viongozi kama prime cabinet minister wetu wakija hapa tunafurugana, na si eti kwamba inamaanisha tunatembea pamoja. Your Excellency, we are not walking in the same path. Tunakuaga na mambo yetu, tunasukumanaga, lakini tukipata kiongozi wetu ambaye amekuja wa taifa, tunakuwa pamoja.
Mama, pamoja na wewe tunakuombea Mungu, tunatambua kazi unaofanya katika serikali hii yetu ya Kenya. We continue praying for you. We admire the spirit of humility that is working in you. We admire how you do things, and we admire the grace of God in you. Karibu sana Kajiado County. This is a church away from home. Anytime you are away from home, you're most welcome to worship with us.
Wekirago mwancho mo ligereria no toko ya kero mosmari Amayia Isato chiabono botukoli tukolia Jumapili lituko lia makendo na koganirie obotukobia no boligerio bya bwemeroberio imegata seniki Ndizi TV nyora boigo aya osipina bogo sanga mona intogeta se mitandao yote ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital wetera YouTube Ndizi TV News na bogo se website ya www.ndizitv.net lunyara kwa kwenda kiabuna chibi chamonelio chago chira senchira yobo ikiraniga kwa Sara Momanyi leterana ngoro kwa Josephat Amisi otware oboligereria no botukobia anene a semeroberio yegeta seniki Ndizi TV.